Alright, so a couple weeks back I bought a guitar for my friend Bobby and he wanted to video me playing it, and I can't play it, so told him I'd give him a video of me making noise with it. Figured I'd show off a few of their other ones too. So this is it. It's tagged as a homemade lap steel, shaped like a regular guitar, more comfortable for me that way. I guess it doesn't matter if I hold it wrong if I can't play it anyway, so let's try it out. I just wanted something with a pickup and something that wouldn't feed back so much if I turned up the overdrive. Because I like to do that. That's enough of that. Alright. So there's that one. The stuff I made myself. It's my first cigar box guitar. Turned out decent. Eye bolt tuners. Spent brass for the nut and bridge. 762 Nagant. And this one feeds back quite a bit. It's got a piezo, but I made it, so I'll take any sound it makes. Well, there's that one. Second cigar box guitar. Put toothpick frets on this one. Changed the nut and the bridge to roll pins to bring the action down. Don't know if I brought it down far enough, but I can actually finger the strings. This one doesn't feed back quite as much because I insulated it better. Use different strings on it. And I like it because it looks old. Little ukulele I made last week. This one's not jacked. Wish I had, but I didn't have the parts at the time, and I didn't think I needed it. Don't know how to tune any of these, so I just tune them until they don't sound completely horrible. Did this yesterday. It's supposed to have a buzzing bridge like a sitar, but I'm not real satisfied with it at the moment. I'll work on it some more, but it sounds cool. So there you go. That's all I got today.